Hello everybody, this is me, Chris Galravas. Today I'm gonna show now how to browse anonymously with any web browser, to browse any website without knowing your locations or other things. This is done by hiding your IP address, the real IP address, and then you can replace it with the fake one. Or you can now avoid any DNS leak between you and your service provider. First of all, we have to know what is a DNS leak. A DNS leak is something of a kind when your internet service provider can watch what you are doing on over the internet and can also track you easily. To check for the DNS leaks, there is a website called DNS leak test. This one, so it will show you where now you are and your IP address, which is here now. Now I'm from Rwanda and my real IP address is this one. So this is the first time when you visit the DNS leak test without making any modifications or something of a kind of hiding your true IP address. So I'm gonna show you now how to hide your real IP address using what we call software for the VPN client. That is the first method I'm going to explain to you, and then there's the second method, which is now very secure than that, which is the use of Tor. Okay, let us start. So first of all, we need to go to the software website to download it. Software, yeah, this is now where it is. So here we come and choose what you want to download. Then after the server will be downloaded, so you set the platform for the Windows. Then you can download it by pressing here. So me, I've downloaded it and installed it. So I'm gonna show you how now it works. Here it is the software VPN client, or you can start it on the taskbar here, then double click. After double clicking, you will see the interface when it is opened software VPN client manager. So you will try to open the VPN, get public VPN relay servers, then you press enter. Then you will refresh the list to see the new added one. Then you will try to hide your proxy behind these ones, which are mentioned on the line here. After refreshing, you see there is the VPN, the client from Japan, Korea, Thailand, France, and then there is the line speed. You will try to connect to the one which has a high ring speed. You see here there is Japan 139 megabit per second. Then you can connect. Then you can use TCP control or use a UDP. Here I choose to use HTTP and TCP. Then you will wait to connect to VPN server. Yeah, exactly, you are now connected. You see your assigned IP address is this one mentioned below. Then you will have the location for the network. Then you will can specify when it is the home network, the working network, or the public network, something of a kind. You will choose whatever you want. So later check it for the second one if the DNS records trackers, dnsrequest.com. Other things, when you connect to that client, the bandwidth of your internet connection can be reduced a bit, but it will take a short time to yeah. You see now exactly the different IP address I have now. This one from Toyama, Japan. So then you can make a standard test to see if you are connected 100%, to see if there is no DNS leak. You check for the servers. This one can take somehow a long time to recognize whether you are internet service provider, but you can wait or cannot. So you see that one. For my first internet service provider is Airtel Rwanda. This is not what I want to get in. Other is the Canadian Corporation. Exactly not. This one not. Google not. So you see that by using the server from Japan, you can somehow be recognized by your internet service provider. So you need to change. When you were from Japan, then you have to disconnect. Then you can try other server which is now highly protected, like of the Korea Republic. Then you connect to the server. Then you have to see the quite different between the internet service providers in order to avoid any kind of tracking and then think of viewing what you are browsing, and this one can be done by your internet service provider. So see, this one is not going. So we try another one. We try this one is having a small. Let's try. Okay, this one from Korea too. We'll wait somehow. Yes, now I'm connected to them. Yeah, my assigned IP address is this one. Okay, let us come back here. Then DNSRootTest.com. Then we wait a small amount of time. Okay, I'm now from Seoul, Korea, Republic of. Then you have to do the standard text to see if the servers recognize that I'm Rwanda. You see, exactly, I'm not from the drive internet service provider. So you see, this one is highly protected server which I have connected to from the Korea. So this is the first one. The second one is to use the Tor browser. For proper internet functioning, you have to disconnect to the server. So this is now I'm working in open environment. So I'm going to open this Tor browser to see the change and the difference between this one and this one. And on the Tor, as it automatically generates the servers, it will somehow take longer to respond or to make anything of a kind you have suggested it to give to you. So you will now have to be patient, as now I'm in a region with the internet is small, is in a small amount or in a small range and a small bandwidth, but it doesn't matter. Wherever you go, to protect yourself with beer or the difficulties which we meet. Okay, this is now the Tor browser which is now opening. Be patient a little time. Okay, so here now you see my Tor browser is now open. Welcome to Tor browser. This is now the best browser over the world, which is now protect you from any kind of tracking. Then it can be now used for darknet or for anything of kind which you want to do secretly and not everyone recognize what you are doing on the internet. So we come here and then we tap DNSRigTest.com. Another thing on this browser, it doesn't keep any kind of the logs, any kind of the cookies, any kind of the history. Yes, exactly. You see, now I'm from Romania, which is not. So then I have now to do the standard test to see the servers. But on the Tor browser, it will take a long time to respond to the servers. So you can now trust this website, this web browser, and rather than using that software, the VPN client, while you're browsing the Windows. But in the next tutorial, I will now going to see how to use it on a Linux platform in order to maintain anonymity on the website browsing or web browsing. First, thanks for watching. This is your boy Chris Good Lovers. So see you next time.